Before we begin, you'll want to lay out all of your tools, hardware, and components. First, we'll slide a plate into the roof rack opening and place the spring plate over the roof rack. Then align the spring plate for the bolt holes. Loosely bolt from the side using the 2 bolts and washers. Repeat for the other side of the vehicle. Next, place the light bar on the plates and loosely bolt together. Use this stage to pre-fit the positioning of the lights and wiring. Once you're comfortable, remove the light bar and attach the lights to the desired location. Last, fully tighten all bolts on each side of the vehicle.